Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Adobe Premiere Elements 7. This is probably the easiest and best video equipment out there to edit any video you want, and it's fairly cheap as well. So here's a look at how to use it. Alright, so this is the home page. It's what you'll see when you first open Adobe Premiere Elements 7. Instant movie is an option. I have never really used it much. It's if you just want to really quickly edit a couple of clips together, let's say of a sports game, that's probably what you want to go with. It's pretty user friendly. Then there's Open Project if you want to just open a project that you've already made. And then you can create a new project. That's what we're going to be doing today. So you can just name it whatever you want. We'll just name it Test 1. Just keep it easy. So press OK and just let it load for a second or two. Alright, so now that's loaded. You won't have any media. So you want to download some clips, pictures, music, whatever you want that you can use in your presentation. There are tons of different options depending on what you want to upload from. You can upload from a camera, webcam, digital camera, existing PC files, mobile phone. If you have a YouTube clip extractor downloaded on your computer, you can use that as well. I already have stuff downloaded that I'm going to use. So, it's pretty self-explanatory once you click on it, so it's really user-friendly. Alright, so once we get a clip, today we're going to be using this basketball clip of LeBron James. So all you have to do is click on it, drag it to the scene line. And we're also going to be using, let's say, this clip right here. So right now we have two clips, probably about 45 seconds worth of footage. For the purposes of this, how about let's cut it down a little bit. So let's cut off maybe the first second of this first clip. All you have to do is click right there, drag it until it says +1. Right there. That's all you have to do. So I just cut out the first second of that, and then let's cut out the last 5 seconds. So click, drag. Notice the red, that's the part that you're cutting out. Just let go. Just took out the last 5 seconds. This is our second clip. Let's just take out the first 20 seconds of this. And then the last 15 seconds. Alright, so now we have these two clips. Next, once you have your two clips, you might want to add, let's say, a title. All you have to do is go to the top, click on Title, New Title. There's a variety of options. Default still is just a still title that comes up. Default roll is more like a credit option. And default crawl is where it just goes horizontally across your screen. So for the purpose of this, we're going to use a default still title. Once you click that, you can see it says add text. It's white, so you can't see it. So let's change the font. Let's go with a nice gold. You know, you can play around with it a little, maybe make it a little bigger. It's 79 size. You know, you can change the font kind to whatever you want. Just click, let's put it up there, and then just double click, and you can change what you want it to say. So we'll just say basketball, and then just click the selection tool again. You can move it wherever you want. Just play around with it. Okay. And then, as you can see down here, it says Title 1. That's where you can pick how long you want it to be. So let's make our default, when you add it, it's automatically up for 5 seconds. So let's say we want it up for 3 seconds, we'll just take 2 seconds off of the existing time. So now it should be up for a couple seconds. Let's just take a brief little look, see how it looks so far.
NBA, Cavaliers, Celtics. You know, LeBron James loves playing the Celtics, averaging 36 points per game in his last 6 games against Beantown. And watch this. End of the third quarter.
And then there's our second clip. Alright, so now that we have those 2 clips edited together, let's put in, how about we want to put in an effect? Let's say we want to go with maybe, there are tons of different effects for whatever you want to do. You know, you can change the lighting, you can change the color, you can flip it upside down, side to side, you can do replicates. I mean, options are just endless. So let's say we want to just make it look kind of old-fashioned. We can just drag old film. See how it kind of has an old-fashioned look? And let's say for the second clip we want to just add like kind of a ghosting look. So we'll just use this ghosting video effect. Just drag it over. That's all you have to do. And then let's say we want to do a transition between the two. Just click transitions. Just pick whatever you want. We'll go with a cube spin. All you have to do is drag it from there, right between the two. You're good to go. So far we have a title, 2 video clips, cube spin in the middle is our transition. So let's see how it looks now. So we have the old effect.
Loves playing the Celtics, averaging 36 points per game in his last 6 games against Beantown. And watch this. End of the third quarter.
And then we have the transition. See the ghosting effect now. The ghosting effects, I don't know if you saw it because it was kind of small. The screen's kind of small right now, but I'll show you the final thing at the end. And here's probably one of my favorite features is the share tab right up here. You can upload anything directly to a DVD, YouTube, whatever you want. So if you want to upload it to YouTube, you just click online and click YouTube next, and from there it's just self-explanatory. You can just put it directly onto YouTube. It's pretty good. Well, that's about all I can show you. If you want to add in some narration, there's an add narration right there. If you have a mic, you can just talk in there, and your voice can go along with your footage. If you want to add in music, all you have to do is get media, PC files and folders. Just upload whatever music you want. You can upload music from a different video clip. All you have to do is drag it to the music instead of the video, and it'll play the music in the background. So that's a pretty good feature. So yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, anything else that you'd like to know about, I can either just respond to your question, or I can make another video for special effects. The options for this software is just endless. So just send me a message and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Thanks.